Vienna, the capital of Austria, is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant cultural life. The city of Vienna offers visitors a unique combination of old-world charm and modern amenities. Situated in the heart of Europe, Vienna boasts a breathtaking landscape with the Danube flowing through the center. The city's landscape is adorned with magnificent palaces, majestic boulevards, and picturesque parks that invite tourists and locals to explore and enjoy. Vienna is a popular destination among tourists and travel enthusiasts from all over the world. Its varied attractions cater to a wide range of interests. History buffs can delve into Vienna's imperial past by visiting iconic landmarks such as Schönbrunn Palace or the Hofburg Palace. Meanwhile, art lovers can visit world-class museums such as the Belvedere or the Kunsthistorisches Museum. Vienna has long been a center of art and culture. It is home to renowned opera houses and museums showcasing masterpieces by famous artists such as Gustav Klimt and Egon Schiele. The city also hosts various music festivals throughout the year, including the New Year's concert of the prestigious Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra. Besides its cultural offerings, Vienna is also known for its exceptional cuisine and coffee shop culture. Visitors can enjoy traditional Viennese dishes such as Wiener Schnitzel or Sachertorte while sipping a cup of Viennese coffee in one of the city's charming cafes. In conclusion, the city of Vienna is an enticing place where history seamlessly combines with modernity. Its enchanting landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and varied offerings make it a must-visit for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience in Austria's capital.